Welcome to Sklearning, the series of ADF questions. In today's video, we'll break down ADF, a powerful cloud-based ETL service for data integration. If you're new to Azure or data engineering, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Let's start. Another question: your company needs to move data from an on-premises SQL Server database to an Azure SQL database daily. How would you set up this data movement in Azure Data Factory? To set up this data movement, create a self-hosted integration runtime, IR, to securely connect to the on-premises SQL Server. Create linked services for both the on-premises SQL Server and Azure SQL database. Create datasets for the source and destination tables. Create a pipeline with a copy data activity to move the data. Schedule the pipeline using a schedule trigger to run daily. Another question: you need to transform data from a CSV file in Azure Blob Storage and load it into an Azure SQL database. Describe how you would accomplish this using Azure Data Factory. To accomplish this, create linked services for Azure Blob Storage and Azure SQL database. Create datasets for the source CSV file and the destination SQL table. Create a pipeline with a data flow activity. In the data flow, read the data from the CSV file, apply the required transformations, and write the transformed data to the SQL table. Trigger the pipeline as needed.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.